talk about the latest launched Infinix smartphone Note 40 with active halo design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display with 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2436 pixels, approximately 89.9% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 393 ppi pixel density, 1300 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 108 megapixel OIS super zoom camera, along with 2 megapixel macro camera, and with 2 megapixel depth camera with quad LED flash. For selfies it has 32 megapixel front camera with dual LED flash, video recording maximum 2K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of XOS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and with 8 GB of extended virtual RAM, and 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.13 by 74.53 by 7.75 mm, and it weighs around 190 grams, and the color options, Titan Gold, Obsidian Black colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 45-watt fast charging, 20-watt wireless mag charge, reverse wired charging, reverse wireless charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, with stereo speakers tuned by JBL, USB Type-C charging port, IP54 dust and splash resistant, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Infinix Note 40 has been priced for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at around $200 and expected 55,999 Pakistani rupees and 16,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Infinix Note 40 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.